Today we're at DVC with our DVC 172 dry vapor cleaning system, and we are going to be cleaning rifling lube out of a Browning 20 gauge. So we've actually put rifling lube on the outside just for extra demonstration, but really where the key is through here. I know it's kind of difficult to see, but we have coated both of these chambers with rifling lube. We're going to use our shotgun extender and our DVC 2.5 meter wand. And then now we're going to clean to the outside. Dry to the touch.